In this video from FFX, we'll show you how to use an SDS hammer drill. An SDS hammer drill is the tool you should own when you need to drill large holes into masonry, concrete and brickwork for anchors and fixings. SDS stands for Slotted Drive System, and this refers to the way the bit interacts with the chuck. SDS provides a strong clamping mechanism on the bit, ensuring it will be held in place when undertaking tough drilling applications. The slots on the bit allow the motor to hammer the bit into the workpiece. The hammer action from the drill means that you don't need to lean heavily on the tool while drilling. The rule is, allow the drill to do the work. Look for the number of modes on the SDS drill. It will either have 2 or 3. The modes will be rotary only, which allows you to drill into wood and metal with the correct bit fitted. It will also have rotary hammer, which is the hammering action required when drilling into masonry. And some will have hammer only. This mode is for when you fit a chisel bit and want to do some light chipping and chasing into the brickwork or concrete. Finally, some SDS hammer drills have an interchangeable chuck. Swapping out the SDS chuck for a standard chuck allows you to fit standard drill bits. It's important to always use the supplied side handle with your SDS hammer drill. This gives you greater control over the drill in the event of the bit snagging.